I got some popsicles down in the cellar. If you don't like this video in 5 seconds, I'm gonna smack you right in the pee. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get unlimited avatar favorites. Let's get right into it. So, what you wanna do is, you wanna go to your worlds. And I just visited this world, so I'm gonna go to my recent worlds, recently visit. And the world is called Avatar IDs Loader, like here. But if you can't, if this world doesn't show up for you when you search for it, mind you, this is a PC only method. So for my Quest users, I'm gonna have to get back to you guys if there's a working way to do this on Quest. And there's two ways to find this world. You could either search for it, or you can visit the world here. And once you put in the passcode and you go to where you search for avatars, you'll notice there's a portal to your right, and that'll take you here. And when you load into the world, you will load in over here. You'll notice this keyboard, which looks pretty similar to the other world. Now, I did my best to read this part and try to understand it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to work this thing perfectly. If you read this, it pretty much says that there's still something missing, and it's pretty much a work in progress, but it's better than nothing. This keyboard here is a keyboard that's gonna let you type in avatar IDs, and once you type in the avatar ID, you would separate them. Like, let's say this isn't a real avatar ID, but it'll look something like this here. It'll be like this, a bunch of numbers, probably some underscores, more numbers, something like that. Let's pretend that's an avatar ID. Once you're gonna copy your avatar ID, paste it here, and if you wanted to do multiple, you would put a semicolon in between each and leave it. Once you type that in, you don't want to hit enter at all. You just hit add, and once you add, it'll appear behind you. The first thing you want to do is open up a tab and go to your VRChat page. So go to VRChat.com and you're gonna want to log in. I have my password saved, so I logged in instantly. And as you can see, the avatar I have right here that I showed in the intro shows up here. So you want to click on avatars. Sorry, my cats are just being retarded. So you want to, once you log into your VRChat account, you want to click on avatars. It says favorite avatars that move. I'm just going to use this for an example. I'm going to click on it. And you notice here, this up here changed. So this is your avatar ID for that avatar. So what you want to do is you want to copy this part here. So after the slash, the AVTR underscore, all that's your avatar ID. So what you're gonna want to do is copy that, and I'm gonna get rid of this fake avatar ID. Then I'm gonna hit Control V to paste what I just copied. You can see it's the same thing from the other page. That's my avatar ID for this avatar. Hit OK. Once I hit OK, I'm gonna hit add, and that avatar will be here. Now, you basically need a way to store each avatar's ID. So let's say I put an avatar's ID here, but I can't favorite it because I already used all my favorites. So this method works for PC users only, but because we're on PC, you guys should all be able to do this here. What I thought of was to open up Notepad. So I'm just gonna label this so I know what it is. I'm just gonna label it avatar, sorry, I can't type, IDs. And then here, I'm gonna type what the avatar is. It's Herbert. I like my stuff organized, so I'm just gonna make it look like that. And now that I did that, I know that this is my avatar ID's notepad. This is the avatar, and this is the avatar ID. So whenever I wanna come back to this world, I could just load up this notepad, copy this, and then paste it into that keyboard and have my avatar. So what I'm gonna do to save this is I'm gonna go to File, Save As, and here, this is where I'm gonna save this file. You can save it wherever you are, but for me, I'm gonna name this Avatar IDs and leave the .txt. I'm gonna show you that now that I close the notepad, I can go back to it, Go back to the Notepad app. Now, when you open it again, it'll be blank, but as long as you save that file, you can go back to open, find the file again, avatar IDs, and bam, whatever you saved here will always be here as long as you save the file every time. So make sure for every avatar that you have that you don't have room for to favorite, you just put it in your notes and keep everything labeled so you know what it is. And then just come back to here, open it up, copy, paste it in the keyboard, and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much how you can favorite any avatar, kind of somewhat. It's not actually going to appear in your favorites, but it's just another way to have more avatars at your disposal, more than the 50, without paying more for VRChat Plus or doing any mods that are going to get you banned. Do this method and you'll never run out of avatars, really. If this video helped you at all, make sure you like the video. If you were confused at any point in this video, let me know that too. If you found anything out or if I got anything wrong, correct me in the comments too. I really would appreciate it. And just all the information you guys can share in the comments will help someone else out too. That's pretty much the end of this video. Peace out, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is probably going to be uploaded on Christmas, so if you're watching this on Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and all that. But yeah, that's it. Goodbye.